I had a water heater installed 2 days ago with a Taco Leakbreaker. Starting yesterday, I noticed an intermittent beep coming from the water heater closet. During the day, it's about once every half hour to an hour, but becomes notably more common at night. I have confirmed that it's the leak breaker, as the green light turns red for a couple seconds with each beep before returning to green.
Is your taco water heater gas or electric?
I believe that it's electric. Let me go have a look.
How long has this been going on with your taco water heater? What have you tried so far?
2 days. Also, the water heater is not a Taco, it's a Bradford. It's only the leak breaker that's Taco. Also, I was wrong, it's gas, not electric.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I think that's most of it.
Hi, I'm Mike and I have 20+ years of experience as a plumber. I am sorry you are having issues. I'll be glad to assist you today. The issue is that it is trying to connect to the wireless network. http://apps.tacohvac.com/upload/file library/102.506_leakbreaker_instructions_3_1_18.pdf.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.